Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CBR500R. Twin cylinder, lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful showroom condition. It has an awesome sounding Two Brothers Black Series exhaust. We're gonna do the 12K service, 2 brand new tires and a brand new chain on this awesome Honda 500. You can get into it for just $41.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.